worksheet. 15 worksheet. This is first worksheet. Let's learn the number 1. This is first worksheet. Second worksheet, number practice. Number practice. This is third worksheet. Let's track it. Let's track it. This is fourth worksheet. This is fourth worksheet. Color the fish with different color number. This is 5 worksheet. Track all the numbers and color it. This is 6 worksheet. Missing number. Missing number. This is 7 worksheet. Number tracing. Let's learn 1 to 10. This is 8 worksheet. Count object of each type and write it. This is 9 worksheet. Write the missing number. Write the missing number. This is 10 worksheet. Number 3. Number 3. Circle or the number 1 of a tree. This is 11 worksheet. Cat has to reach home through counting. This is 12 worksheet. Count and circle. Count and circle. Thirteen worksheet. Count 1 to 10. Count 1 to 10. This is 14 worksheet. Missing number. Missing number. Complete the number 1 to 20. This is 15 worksheet. How many? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Active Kids Academy. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.